Building the big door. The kitten fall in love with their dads.
Yapma.
You cannot escape from me. I didn't see anything. I didn't hear anything. Eye cleaning and ear cleaning time.
It's more a day. That's not too much for my Chester.
Ready to take me for a walk.
Thank you. Look it up.
Which one looks more guilty?
Who did this mess? I know it was you.
This kitten knows how to pass the time well. The puppy makes sure everyone in the neighborhood hears. The puppy stole the ball and took it.